Hello everyone, good afternoon babes, ladies and gents. I am on my way to, oh my gosh, did I forget my, I was just telling myself to leave one of my lip balms in my car because I got a new one from Sun Balm and I forgot to leave it, but thank God I have this Laneige Lip Balm. I cannot stand dry ass lips, guys. I feel like keeping your lips moisturized is one of those things where you just have to. It's like putting on deodorant. It should not be an option. I'm gonna drive to Beverly Hills because I have my laser away appointment for my underarms as well as my coochie area. We are getting these bad boys lasered, but also just a reminder, you do not need to get your hairs lasered if you don't want to. It's just something that I personally wanted to do myself. I'm very grateful to be working with Laser Away, so obviously all of my sessions are comped in exchange for an honest review and just like a few social deliverables. But honestly guys, I have been thinking about getting my hair lasered, especially like my bikini area and my armpits, for the longest time. I was just really scared to do it, and pain wise I feel like it's different for everyone. Obviously some people are a lot more sensitive to the pain. To be honest, getting my bikini area lasered hurts, but there are some spots where it doesn't hurt as much, so it really just like depends on your pain tolerance and also like what your sensitive spots are. And then my armpits are like 3 out of 10 being like the worst pain ever, and this is literally the worst angle ever, but I'm just gonna have to keep you guys right here. So but yeah, I just want to let you guys know that we're running errands today, ladies and gents. Alright guys, so I've made it to Beverly Hills. We're gonna get our coochie laser. My appointment is at 1:15, it's 1:02. This is the fit. You know, cash. Thanks. Guys, I just finished my appointment. I didn't vlog it because I just wanted to get it over with, but here's the outfit of the day. This is what you use after. We got the hydrocortisone and then some aloe vera. They also have deodorant because you're not allowed to put deodorant prior to your appointment. So I'm going to put that because I don't have deodorant in my car.
Hey, oh my god. I got my nails done. It's been so long. Oh, sorry. It's open. Are you real?
No. Is it just you?
Yeah.
We're getting tacos and I'm here with Vanessa. Surprise! And then Ralph and then Caroline. Hello guys. So we just arrived at my friend's house and our friend Vanessa here came all the way from New Jersey, did not know she was coming, and we're gonna surprise our last friend who's inside. He has no clue, so we're trying to gather up some ideas on how to surprise him.
Hi, sorry.
It doesn't matter about gender.
Yeah.
Hi! Hi guys!
Oh, hey!
Welcome to the talk show.
Hello!
Hello!
Welcome to the brown table.
Hello!
What?
The board of trustees!
one chair? I think we need a chair.
We're gonna be outside.
Dessert!
Happy birthday to you.
Yeah. Oh yeah, next to the happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Part 3.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy engagement. Happy
Oh my god. Dear Albert. Happy birthday to you. And engagement.
Oh, that's a beautiful shot.
Thank you.
Yay! Woohoo!
Hello guys, I look like a suburban mom. Let me show you my fit. We're waiting for court. They're still playing. Our time slot is 9 to 10. A couple of PURA packages. I'm going to start off with Amazon because I actually ordered a couple of things. The first one I got is a drone landing pad, and I find myself using my drone mostly at the beach, and I do not like it when I have to land it on the sand because sands are so tiny. They easily can just like go in between the crevices of my drone, and I don't want to like break it, especially because I just bought it. Really love using it, and I want to be able to use it forever as much as possible. So I picked up this drone landing pad, and basically it's this little circle one. I don't want to go ahead and unravel it because it took a while for me to honestly put them back. Set it on a concrete at the beach, wherever it may be, so your drone isn't landing on the sand or on like a cement. It's just, you know, another way for me to take care of my gadgets. I really take pride in taking care of my gadgets, so I don't mind spending extra little couple of dollars for stuff like this because I know that I'm going to be using them. And yeah, so I just got this off Amazon. I'll link this down for you guys if you have a drone or if you're thinking about getting a drone. I feel like this is a good investment because I brought it with me to Hawaii. I flew it, and even though it landed on my towel, I noticed that there were still like a couple of sands in the little spaces and the little crevices, and I was like, okay, I don't like the sound of this because when I started like kind of shaking it, not really shaking it but like moving it around, I can hear that there's like a couple of sands. And I actually have two drones. The first one I have is the Phantom 4, I think. It's like one of the early drones, and I literally only used it once and it stopped working, and I don't know if it's because I got sand in it or whatever it may be, but this time I'm gonna take care of it. The next package we have is from Sunbum, and I'm so excited because they reached out. They were like, hey, we saw you use the hair mask that is expired. We'd love to give you, or would love to send you a couple of hair goodies. And I was like, oh my god, of course. Oh my god, I've been wanting the hat. I am so excited. Look at this cute PR package to send, guys. And they even have a card. Oh, it is so fucking cute. Farina, thanks so much for the love on our hair mask. Glad we can help you and your hair stay protected this summer. Don't hesitate to reach out if you need any refills. Thank you, Jasmine, and my Sunbum fam. I'm so excited. I literally worked with them like years ago, and it's insane. It's insane. We got the revitalizing shampoo and conditioner. I love that these are kind of travel size. Maybe I can bring these with me when I go on my trip. It's coming up. We got a ton of lip balm for you to use at the beach or just whenever you guys are going out. The great thing about these lip balms is that it has an SPF of 15, so you're protecting your skin. A couple of them have an SPF 30, which is awesome. So yeah, I'm very excited. And then we have the revitalizing 3-in-1 leave-in hair treatment. I am a beach bum, as you probably already know, so this is really exciting for me. I'm honestly just gonna keep this in my beach bag. I keep my beach bag in my car at all times. And then we got these two new products. I believe these are new. I've never seen them before, but these are the Sunbum Daily Sunscreen Face Mist and the Mineral Sunscreen Moisturizer. So this is something that you can apply, and you don't have to like use your hands. Since it is a mist, you can probably just like spray it. And then this is the moisturizer. These are literally just gonna stay in my beach bag. And then we got the hair mask. This is the hair mask that I was like talking about in my glow up video and a couple like vlogs ago. I just have the little tub, and they gave me a new one, and they're in this little packets now, which is awesome. We also have 2 hair ties, and they're tie-dyed. We got a blue one and then this little red one. They also sent the protecting scalp and hair mist. This one has an SPF of 30. It never occurred to me that I have to put like some kind of sunscreen or SPF on my scalp, when that's actually pretty smart. Like, that's actually pretty smart. And then last but not least, we got the limited edition t-shirt hair towel. Oh, and this is in collaboration with Daniela Perkins. I actually met Daniela at a dinner for this one brand, and she was the sweetest girl. She was the sweetest girl. She was like sitting next to me, and she was like talking to everyone, which I love, because, you know, some content creators out there are just like not. A little tea, some influencers will only talk to you if you guys have like the same following, but Daniela was super sweet in person. The next package I got is from Crocs, because I'm actually working with them on an IG brand deal, and I guess they came out with translucent Crocs, because they sent me this white one, and I thought I would be able to like pick the gibbets that they were gonna send, but I didn't. So they sent like 6 of these sunflowers. They're honestly really cute. They're just a little hard to like put on. I don't know if it's because like of the material, because it's not the regular rubber. I mean, it's still rubber, but it's just, I don't know, I find it harder to put the gibbets on these than my regular ones. But yeah, stay tuned on my Instagram, because I'm working with them on an IG brand deal. I just dropped off a couple of Poshmark orders at the post office, and I also picked up some packages from our PO box. I got 2 of them. So this one is from Mahal Swim. I think they're a Filipino brand, because they were like, oh, mahal kita. And yeah, so I'll put their Insta here. But they sent, ooh, this is the little package that they sent. They wrote a little note. Look at this cute card. Mahalo and mahal kita. So I guess it's like Hawaiian and Filipino combined. Thank you and we love you. Our love for the ocean is tremendous, and we are happy to contribute to keeping it plastic free. Each swimsuit is ethically and sustainably made in Bali using recycled plastic bottles and or fishing nets pulled from the ocean. Every order is packed with the earth in mind and you in our heart, because we want you and the earth to feel good, and a percentage of your purchase is going towards ocean organizations who strive to keep our ocean clean. Hi Filipina Queen, we are so excited to see you in this bikini. You're going to look amazing. Mahalo and mahal kita. Thank you and we love you. Wow guys, the quality is really nice. So I have this like pink, blue, yellow, almost like a marbled design, and it's super cheeky. You guys know I love cheeky bikini bottoms. That's all I am. And then this triangle bra right here. So I'm very excited. I also came this little tote bag here. The other one is from Lux & Co Jewelry. The way to my heart is handwritten notes. It says, Farina, thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to share my jewelry pieces with you. I appreciate you so much. As a successful Filipina, you inspire me. I have included pieces I designed and made inspired by being born and raised on Maui. I hope you enjoy your trip on Oahu, and hopefully my jewelry pieces will remind you of Hawaii. I also recreated a 15% off discount code for your followers and subbies. They can use Farina at checkout. From Sherman. Guys! I'm so excited! So it came with these little dust bags with their logo. Really cute. Totally up my alley, because I love anything dainty. And I love that the chain is like this gold paper clip like. And it's like a little pearl necklace. These are, oh my god, my nails popped off. Now I for real need to get my nails done. Next one is just this gold chain. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Beautiful. I have spicy tuna, salmon, and regular tuna. I'll have onions, both please. Both of them? Yeah. And then cilantro, cucumber, jalapeno, tomato, and then avocado. For lunch, I just have poke, and this is very different from what I had in Hawaii, but this is the closest thing I have. It's actually pretty good.
Something to buy the bug, yeah. The